In this video, you'll learn how to receive payments from Wecasa. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to register, set up your profile, and start accepting jobs to earn money through the platform. Begin by visiting the website wecasa.co.uk/pro. Once the page loads, you will find the registration form. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on the register button to create your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your registration was successful. Next, ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements for self-employment in the UK. This includes having the necessary certifications or proof of experience for the service you intend to provide. Additionally, it is advisable to obtain public liability insurance, as this can protect you in case of any issues that may arise while working. After confirming your eligibility, proceed to set up your profile. This involves selecting your service area, which may include options like cleaning, hairdressing, massage, or beauty services. You will also need to specify your travel zones and indicate your availability. Make sure to set your working hours accurately, as this will help potential clients know when you are available to take on jobs. Once your profile is complete, download the Wecasa Pro app from your device's app store. Open the app after installation and log in using the account details you registered with. This app is essential for receiving job offers and notifications about available sessions. As you start using the app, you will receive notifications for available job sessions. You can review these offers and choose to accept or decline them based on your schedule. Completing sessions will allow you to earn between £12 and 50 pence and £16 per hour, depending on the service provided. Finally, you will need to set your payment preferences. You can choose to receive payments via weekly or monthly bank transfers. Payments are processed automatically after you complete your sessions, ensuring a seamless experience for you. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.